Welcome back, my Cancers. This is Davita with Medium of the Light Tarot. There's cards everywhere. We're taking these two. There's Justice and the Devil. Started doing, this is the second reading I've done, and cards have been like flying out like they got a mind of their own. I wanted to say thank you for all of you who are getting readings from me, whether it is the Love Tarot readings or medium readings. And those who have sent me decks to keep my readings fresh, I greatly appreciate it. It's like being a kid again when I get a new deck. And of course, this is one of my favorite decks. It is the Light Seers Tarot. All right. So Cancers, what's going on for June 2020 in love? I was guided to pull this extra one out. So generally this is you, this is them, and this is the storyline. If this needs to be switched where this is them and this is you, you will be the discerner of that. Looks like somebody wanted some justice and it's blocked, and they're feeling bitter and mad about it. They're trying to stay cool and calm on the outside with this King of Cups, like, oh no, I'm meditating and trying to keep everything together and make it look like, you know, I'm wearing my virtual crown, which this person is. But in between there is, you know, you're feeling like someone else is pulling your chain, someone else has got the control, and you are out of control, and you want this justice and you're not getting it. This is interesting. You guys put a lot of masks on. So with this person, it's like they're so brokenhearted and in such a dark, dark place that inside it's like this vast nothingness land. And it's like they're stuck in this internal screaming, or this internal, I can't even say it. Yeah, like I can't even talk. A forever scream. But on the outside, it's interesting because both of these are meditating. These two cards, you're meditating, they're meditating. I'm trying to act like I'm calm, cool, and collected. You guys are mirroring each other hardcore. You know, and with this Five of Pentacles, they're feeling like, you know, they're out in the cold, that you don't love them. You know, and you want justice and you're not getting it. So it's like you guys are really mirroring each other. It's very fascinating. And then we've got this Queen of Swords here that's in the reverse. It's like both of you had just gone cold. And it's weird. It's like because you guys are mirroring each other, you're trying to have this strength, but both of your energy is very distorted. It's like you guys are trying to put on a front for everybody. Oh no, it's all cool. I'm meditating. I'm meditating. You know, and with this Three of Wands, this was reversed as well. So it's like you both are wanting to look into the future, but you can't even do it because that's blocked too. What is going on, Cancer? Let's see, what is going on with this connection? Right, there's restlessness, and I obviously think that's both of you. Yeah, that's why I was saying, like, putting on a face for everybody else, going, oh no, it's no big deal. I'm meditating. I'm meditating. I have everything under control, and they have it. And they're trying to portray that they have everything under control. When in reality, both of you are freaking broken up about the situation. And this is triggering both of you so freaking hard that this person's in an internal scream in the middle of their dark place. And this is the Devil card, which I think I mentioned, but I just didn't say what it was. So it's kind of like you feel like you're being played, you're being controlled, and it's not by them, even though I think you're blaming them. It's you. You guys are mirroring each other. Woo! This is a steamy one, and not in a good way for the moment. And then something happened publicly to where you guys are both trying to save face. Yeah, both of you are like, oh no, I'm perfectly in harmony. Yeah, I wouldn't be a damn bit surprised if you guys are higher level soulmates or twin flames, because look at the ear, and the bird is like trying to deliver this nugget of information and light into the ear by being empathic. And I think both of you were both empathic towards each other, but you guys are definitely having, I think you guys talk on the 5D, but in here, this is just like turmoil galore for the moment. I think even when you guys were together, you were trying to pretend like, oh no, everything's super fab. And then you couldn't keep up the facade anymore. Trying to pretend like, oh, we're inspired. I mean, why are you guys both wearing such deep masks? Yeah, it's like both of you are trying to negotiate with the higher divine, like, get me out of here, fix this. It's like both of you were trying to run from each other. That's interesting, because in the twin flame connection, usually there's a chaser and a runner, but both of you are running like mad dogs, like, get me the fuck away from this. I know I shouldn't be laughing. It's not funny. So stabbed in the back, heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, and shocking attack. Like, you guys are definitely on the defense for both of you. But then you guys want to be together. You're like reminiscing, and you still want to make more memories. So it's not like you truly want to. And with this one, you guys are so magnetized, but you're with the magnets upside down. So it's like you're repelling each other, but you can't get away from each other. Yikes. You know, and one of you gets the love feeling, and then you call the other person, and you're like, I love you. I want to be with you. I'm thinking of you. And you're letting the other person know. Yeah, you guys are mirroring each other. I've got all sorts of stress and anxiety just doing this reading. So I can imagine how both of you guys feel. Yeah, see, there's love. There's so much passion between the two of you. Let's see, what can I do to help you guys out? I just pulled this. It says soulmates, twin flames, lightning. So you're all the above. Like I had just pulled it from the middle of the deck because I had put it down on the table. And it was the soulmates, the twin flames, and the lightning, is which sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, and transformation. So because you guys are mirroring each other, and you're so magnetized, but you know, with the magnets the opposite direction, so there's that space between the two of you. Both of you want to run, but you can't. I need to catch my breath. All right, let me see. How can I help this along? All right, we're going to take this as kind of like an Ascended Masters deck. This was one of my gifted decks, which I absolutely adore. It says the Holy Spirit. Expect miracles. Remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. Sacred vision from Miriam. Choose to forgive in order to heal. See the light in all, and remember that love has no boundaries. Seeing how you guys are mirroring each other in this mirror image here. So expect miracles, and you know, a sacred vision. And like I said, you guys communicate in the 5D. So this is, to me, is like you guys both have the sacred vision, but you guys are going to have to stop running, and both of you face your own shit. I'm doing lots of swearing in this one. All right. How else can we help here? Here is a deck that I like to use. It's surrendering. And what do you need to surrender? Surrender to play. Take a break from overthinking a goal. Do something fun. Play is a time of recreation and rejuvenation. So maybe you're just taking this so seriously and just wanting to run. And what is your person need to surrender? Wow. So both of you need, because this one's about overthinking and this one says about obsessive thinking. It says, if you are obsessing about a person or a situation, turn the drama over to spirit. Do so will help bring you clarity or even solve the problem. So both of you might be air signs where you're just like, think. I'm all about thinking. And let's see. Let's do some of these. So what do you need to know? The rescuer, and it was upside down. So the shadow attributes of being the rescuer assumes that the rescued will reciprocate and keeps the rescued one needy. So maybe you're constantly feeling like you're overgiving, and this person, you're like, where's the reciprocation? You're not, you're just taking. And maybe that's one of the reasons why you're running. And for your person, that was easy. This is the trickster, and it was the light attribute, transcending convention, stiffness, and predictable behavior. So you're viewing them as a trickster, but in their light attribute, they're trying to transcend, this, you trying to be the rescuer, you trying to be the one that helps them. And they're like, no, I can create my own magic. But they're very kind of stiff, they're predictable. And because of that, they're not fast moving. And so you view it as they're not reciprocating. Well, you have a task at hand, my Cancerians. Welcome to the fold as far as working through the twin flame connection. Boy, is it fun, said sarcastically. But yours said, you have a sacred vision, and you guys are mirroring each other with this mirroring card here. And you've got the soulmate, the twin flames, and the lightning, so that we expect miracles. So this kind of reiterates this. So don't lose faith. Just know that this is going to be a wild ride. Buckle up. And don't forget to make sure you don't eat lunch before you buckle up and get onto this roller coaster ride. All right, Cancerians, let me know how this resonated with you. I would love to hear. I feel like I just got off of a roller coaster ride doing this reading. All right, my dears. Love you. Bye.